Firefly here. Welcome back, all you Hot Wheels and diecast collectors. Today, wheel swap Wednesday. I had to make sure that I didn't grab the Super. Whew, that would be close. But got this. This has got the Audi donor. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Let's see what happens. And I got the old nail polish remover. I've heard that you go around the back and you can save it, so we're gonna put it back in here. So let's see if this actually works. All right, so live you learn. I messed up. Apparently, you gotta have 100% acetone. This guy didn't get that, so we tried to save it. So maybe we can get another Kafer down the road. And we could swap this one out, but I already took the got the wheels off the Audi, so let's go drill. Say, all right, so we got this one drilled out. You can see that we're getting better at drilling. All right, everything's intact. Where's my knife? Alright, so I got the white ones out. Had a little bit of a slight bend to them, just trying to fix them. Same thing with the gold ones here. Got a little bit of a slight bend. I was trying to pretty close. I didn't think this one was that bad. So I don't think it really matters. These are like the fronts. They're both the same size, so I'm gonna have to throw a little bit of glue on this bad boy. Possibly. Clipped in there pretty good. Not bad. Alright. Get this other one in here. Not too bad. Alright. Let's put this bad boy back together again. Which one's the front? Ah, the mirror, the window. Everything came apart. I was like, where's the exhaust and everything? I think while I have this out, I'm just gonna touch this with a little bit of silver on the exhaust. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that right quick. I think it came out okay. You know, the only thing I wish I would have done was got rid of this, like Jones race products, but I was afraid it'd mess up the paint. So yeah, it's all good. Woo. Yeah, we painted threw some little tail lights on there, popped on some headlights, painted the fuel cap, and the air breather, and the exhaust, little red tips on the exhaust. The rest of the engine is right inside there. It's not gonna, you just have to take my word for it. You paint the interior up a little bit. See my drilling getting better. I think it's time to buy a, was it a tap and die set, so I can put the screws back in there. So yeah, man, wheel swap Wednesday. Volkswagen Kafer Racer success. I thought about, you know, painting up here up front, but yeah, I'd have to, you know, paint that little gold strip so it kind of looks a little, that's all right. That's all right. That's our Wheel Swap Wednesday. VW Kafer Racer. Thanks for watching, everybody. And, let me know down below what you think of it. I think the white rims really stands out. Thanks for watching. Firefly, signing out.